Hello to all employers. Good day. How are you? My name is Isabel Rosales, 35 years old from Laguna, Philippines. I have two kids ages 9 and 5 years old. I am Catholic. I am college undergraduate. I took computer science. I've been working in Qatar for 2 years as domestic helper, and my main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids ages 8 months old and 7 years old. And I can do all household chores such as washing, cooking, ironing, marketing, and so on. I am patient, well mannered, and very passionate to my work. I want to work in Hong Kong because it offers much higher salary. This way, I can better help my financial needs of my family here in the Philippines. To my future employer, please hire me and I will do my best to work well with your family. I am looking forward to hear from you soon. Thank you and have a great day.